So here are some hacks that I like to share with you to stay productive. This is how I stay productive. Read a lot of self-help books to operate at maximum efficiency. If you keep reading, training your mind to think practically from different perspective, no knowledge is waste knowledge. You always learn something. Atomic Habits really helped me to understand the value of a little bit improvement every day, the 1% improvement rule. How it helped me every day. I stopped expecting that tomorrow is gonna be like drastically different from today. Work on something a 15-minute faster, or tomorrow include even one new small activity like affirmation, meditating or breathing, or 5 minutes dancing. Even if I do a little change, I made my brain accept that that's also positive, and that is what's going to help me to see big differences and drastic differences after 30 days or 90 days. Because it's important to be realistic when you're looking at big changes in your life. So that book helped me. Then You're a Badass at Making Money. That book changed my perspective about how I should charge and what is my worth, the worth of my own skills, my own learnings, my own knowledge. It helped me understand my own value and made me feel confident. So read self-help books to operate at maximum efficiency, because you're learning small tricks and hacks from people who have already done that. The second thing that I do to stay productive is I plan my hours like I would in a job. I know I quit a job, but the goal was not to sit free. I quit a job to unleash an unlimited earning potential and growth potential for myself and not be stuck with the company's annual appraisal cycles. Planning your work hours like you would when in a job for your own freelancing business is another big key hack to stay productive. I split my days into 4 sessions. I do 2 client sessions wherein I can do 1 client's work or 4 clients' work in those 2 sessions. The third session that I have is for my track promotion session, where I do nothing but promote my offer, the content for that, communicating with leads for that, recording modules for that, creating more resources for my existing customers in that. So that session is completely for my personal coaching offer. The 4th session is again a 1-hour session where I execute my attraction and nurturing steps, which is to attract clients for my done for you service or attract clients for my track mastermind. It helps me stay super efficient. Of course, because I'm my own boss, there is flexibility doing things here and there, but I ensure that I do a 4-hour session for my clients every day. I do a 2-hour session for track every day, and I do a 1-hour session for my own business growth every day. Third thing that I do is I have a clear and a realistic goal. Super simplified goal. This is the money I want to make. For that, this is the number of clients I need. For that, this is the number of leads I need, calls I need booked. For that, this is the number of leads I need. And if I don't have those many leads, then I work daily on that. So having a clear goal actually makes all your actions outcome based. So every day, whenever I catch myself doing something, I ask myself, like, is it contributing to my outcome? Of the number of leads will help me reach my goal. If not, I stop it then and there. Brings me to the last point, which is create an outcome-based action plan. Don't spend time on things that do not contribute to the outcome and that do not take you one step closer to the goals you have defined in the 3rd step. These are the 4 things I use to stay productive every day. Let me know if you have some great idea to share with me.